Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how you can edit your videos and vlogs in a professional way. Vlog ELF can easily edit your videos. You can add video, audio and subtitles at the same time to make your video stunning. Just click on the link in the description box and download Vlog ELF Video Editing and Vlog Editor. After installation, you can see the interface like this. Add the video or photo which you want to edit by clicking on it. You can also add end screen by tapping on it. You can also add music from here. Here you will find sound effects to add in your video and to make them more stunning. You can also adjust sound volume from here. If you want to extract music of some other video, then just add the clip and the extracted volume will show here. Similarly, you can adjust card point from here and also record your own voice from here. It also has the option of speed change. You can increase or decrease the speed of any clip. You can also split the video from the volume section. You can find the voice changer option from here. You can turn your voice into male, female, monster, cartoon voice, etc. This app also has the animation effects. You can add different animations here and make your video more attractive. It also has rotate, mirror and crop option to edit your videos. You can replace your video with the other clip. You can add filter in your videos to look it more attractive. You can also edit the clips from here. You can adjust color from here. You can also add watermark or demark it from here. Here you can add text and subtitles. It also has the option of sticker to add in the video. So it's all for now. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button, comment down below if you have any questions. So I'll see you in the next one.